Okay class, we're learning about the moment America went to shit. Gina, did you just burp?
No, I didn't.
Liar. Go to the principal's office now, and stop laughing Boots. This isn't funny.
So Gina, what brings you to my office?
I've burped in class.
Oh my god Gina. That's so disgusting. Get out of this school right freaking now.
Gina, how dare you burp in class? You know that's rude and disgusting. That's it, you're grounded for tranquility. Go to your room right now.